Are you kidding me? The battery light is flashing? I just put in a new battery. Just found out that my charger for my camera, the knockoff charger, it's a piece of crap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittney here, and I actually just filmed something last night, but my Sephora box came in, so I did get a few things that I wanted to try, and I thought, why not? If I'm gonna do my makeup anyways, let's do it together. I will have to get up at some point and leave because your girl has a delicious meal coming. Yes. I did my eyes already. I just exclusively used the Warrior palette. I wanted the focus today to be on skin because the two things I picked up were the Dior Forever foundation that everybody always raves about, and then I also picked up the multi-use sculpting concealer from Too Faced. The one thing I hate about ordering foundation and concealer online is the color match. There is a guide on there now where you can put in, you know, your color in a certain foundation. The best color match I've ever had is the Kat Von D Neutral 60. I think it's N60. I can't quite remember right now. But I looked at it when I was like trying to order online, and that's how I got this honey beige for Dior Skin. I kind of tested it out last night, but I bought it, so we're gonna see if it works. We're gonna try and put this on with the beauty sponge and just see how it goes. With this concealer though, right off the bat is too dark. Probably a good foundation color, but not a good concealer color. So I don't know how we'll deal with that. So I'm just using 3 pumps. We're gonna go all over the face. Everybody always raves about this finish being like so natural and flawless, but I just want to try it out for myself because I was like, sounds like it's a little too good to be true. The color is good. Okay, so this is interesting. The color is super great. I feel like I'm really impressed with the color, but the finish, it looks good. But I'm such a full coverage girl that, I mean, it's good, but it's not like super great to me. And this is like the 5th pump. Now I recognize this is like a brand new beauty blender, so I'll probably have to work with it a little more. It's soaking up product, but it does have like a good coverage. It's just not, I know there's full, but like to me full means you can't see like any natural skin. So maybe what I like is like ultra full. Maybe I'm like a mask person. Okay, so you know what? The finish is actually, it's really pretty. The coverage is less than impressive. So I have discoloration around my mouth, on my chin, and a couple like spots from some breakouts, and I can still see them, and that bothers me. So I would almost say this is like a medium to full coverage. Maybe it's like buildable and stuff, but like it seems to have a lot of really good benefits, and I like the color, like I said like a million billion times. But I think that if I was using this, I would actually go in with concealer first and then put this on top to get the kind of coverage I want. Now I don't think I want to go in with this concealer because can you guys see like how much darker? You know what, actually that might be okay for a little bit of additional coverage. So maybe everything happens for a reason. So we're gonna go ahead and use this concealer. So I'm gonna go in and just cover up some of the areas that I personally feel like need more coverage. I have a breakout on my upper lip, you know, like where your stash would be. Oh, it's bothering me. I'm like, why? The concealer. Blending is a dream. This stuff blends so easy. It's like no work to get this to blend out. The coverage is phenomenal, which is interesting because I don't really like, I have the foundation and I don't really like it. Wow, that looks great. I actually really like that. Skin turned out pretty. Okay. So we're gonna take the NARS Creamy Concealer, just a little highlight area. So the other product that I'm pretty excited about, also nervous about, but I like the concept of, is this brow contour Pro by Benefit. Whole concept is like those pens that, you know, you had like 4 different colors. Oh my god, is mine broken? How do I do this? Oh, okay. Side, it says this color is the definer shade. Oh no. So it says it's shapeless, and that's very true. It's just one big flat pen. This product to me is just fun. Like, I definitely think that this is one of the like things that maybe isn't the most functional. I mean, it depends how long this lasts, really. But I have a feeling probably not. It's probably not going to be like somebody's holy grail. That's just my opinion. Watch, this is going to be like their bestseller for the next 10 years. I do love when there's like creativity in makeup and stuff, because I do really believe in makeup being fun. Okay, so now I'm going in with the darker side to do the tail of my brow. I'm actually really happy with the color. This color, which looks like a highlight shade for me, is the definer shade. Oh my gosh. What am I supposed to be doing with the definer shade? Oh, you define and clean the edges. Well, duh, Brittney. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, y'all gonna have to wait. My food is here. I'm not gonna lie, like, I almost don't even want to finish this with you guys because the food is here. Oh my god, look at this side of mac and cheese. We're gonna go in on this. Okay, this is like that mac and cheese that looks really good. And it tastes good, but it's not like cheesy. I mean, it's cheesy, but it's not like, you know, like sharp cheddar cheesy. Like, I feel like sometimes when you have like mac and cheese fancy, they use all these like really like mild cheeses, and they just, it tastes kind of like Alfredo. I mean, like, I'm still gonna eat it. I'm just saying, I cannot eat and do this. I must stay focused. As my brother would say, this pencil is thick, extra thick. I think it's like a meme or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the definer side again. I don't know, should I treat that side like an eraser almost? Because it seems to like just fix any mistakes, but it's not so light that it looks like a highlight. That's actually pretty great. I want to use all 4 sides, so the last side is the highlighting side. It is not shimmery. Let's go in under the high point of our brow bone. Now, it's a little bit messy. Well, it's a lot of bit messy because I wanted to mimic the cover of this for my eye look, but when you look at it, there's really not a whole lot of depth or idea of what's going on, but she has like a super intense brow highlight. Gremlin, he's gone! Can we film the video, please? So anyways, I guess not. I opened my door because I got the text that he was here, and then he was just standing like on my little walkway texting someone for like 3 minutes, and I was just staring at him like, all right, dude, like, just give me my food. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh. This is the kind of stuff that makes you think, why don't I highlight my brow? Because that shit is beautiful. This is the color Moremi. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, so I've got a few flyaways, so I'm just taking some brow gel. This is the Ulta brow gel. It's pretty good. It's like tinted. I do like a tinted brow gel, especially for those days when I'm just like not doing my brows. I don't have time. It like adds a little bit more depth to them. And I did not blend out this concealer. I didn't want to open the door with like a bunch of concealer sitting on my face, so I was just like, okay, I'll blend it out really quick, but I didn't do a good job. I love it. That is so great. So great, you guys. What else did I get from Sephora that I can show you? I got the Nest Cocoa Woods, and it smells so good. It's like vampy and dark, but also like church Sunday-y. And then I also picked up the Sephora Advent calendar because I'm trying to get ready for Vlogmas this year. I have a couple of Advent calendars that I'm excited about. So, I'm just gonna speed through the rest of the what do you call this? This is a thing, the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna contour, highlight, using the BH Cosmetics palette to contour, and then the highlight, I'm gonna go back in with this Juvia's Place Loose Nubian highlighter. in Nubia. So beautiful. And then we're gonna go fast because a girl wants to eat. I mean, honestly, if I'm being honest with you, I love you, but you ain't better than food. Okay?
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know?
Oops.
I'm living in shadow.
Alright, you guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As a recap, the Dior Forever Skin, nice coverage, medium to full. It's like a real skin finish, not dewy, just like you have really great skin, really pretty skin. But for extra coverage, I'm really loving the way it's working with this Born This Way. Here, I got the shade Butterscotch, so for my skin, it's great, or like for skin imperfections, but for highlighting, this isn't the shade. I probably need to go 1 or 2 shades lighter for under eye, and then I think that's really where you can tell if something shines is under your eye, because I got some issues under eye. Yes. And then I think everything else is pretty much the same. I really sat down today thinking I had, oh, no. Wait, the contour pin. This is fun. Like I said, it's kind of a novelty item. I like it. I do think it's pretty expensive. I can't remember how much. I want to say it's like $30, which I'm not a total fan of. I get that you do get 4 products in one, but I can't really give you a judgment on this till I see how long it lasts. My eyebrow products last me like a couple months. Let me take a look at my brows. I'm happy with them. I feel like I had pretty good control over them. I do like the idea of multiple colors, but this is something that I probably only embark on if I had extra time, because if I'm just doing my brows for everyday wear, I'm not going to use a darker shade, a lighter shade, and highlight and define. I do like the idea of the definer function, because sometimes I do mess up my eyebrows and I think like, okay, so then I just have to put a bunch of concealer. It just seems like a whole process, whereas with this, it's all in one. So assuming that this lasts 6 weeks or more, I will be really impressed with it. But yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. I really enjoy sitting down with you, but my food is here, so I've got to go. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You know I'm too generous now.